I spent over 12 hours drawing a single panel for my comic. 12 hours, redrawing it, tweaking it, undo, redo, fix lines, starting over. If you want to draw your comic faster, please don't be like me. Here's why it took so long. My goal with this comic is to eventually package it into an anthology. I want it to look good. I want it to feel professional. I want to be proud of it years from now. The problem? I'm not great at drawing on my tablet. I draw better on paper. I know I do, but I didn't want to scan pages. I didn't want the extra step. And somewhere in my head, I felt like working digitally was the better move. So instead of working where I had control, I tried to brute force my way into getting good on the tablet. It's like choosing to drive instead of walking because driving is faster, but the car is stick shift and you have no idea how to drive manually. So technically it's faster, but for you, it's not. I was showing a friend my progress, and I mentioned how much easier drawing on paper felt. He said he felt the exact same way. That's why he draws traditionally and cleans up digitally after. And I knew that. I had proof in my own sketchbooks. When I draw on paper to get ideas out of my head, I'm confident. The lines are cleaner, the poses feel natural, and I actually enjoy it. But when I switch to digital, everything looks worse, at least to me. And this is what I believe the spirit helped me to realize from that short conversation. I've been struggling with feeling that I'm behind. It's been taking me so long to finish a comic, so behind in my goals for a career as an independent comic book author, so behind in life that now that I'm 40, that I wanted to do whatever I could to catch up. I believe that drawing on paper was going backwards. Like if I wasn't working digitally, I wasn't progressing. That belief kept me stuck for 12 plus hours on this one panel. After redrawing it for maybe the 14th time, I finally stopped. I grabbed a pencil, drew on paper, and 2 hours later, what I drew looked better. I redrew not just the panel, but the whole page for my comic. That includes chunks of time where I was distracting myself. It felt better, and the page isn't even complete yet. Nothing about my skill changed. The only thing that changed was the tool I was using and the belief I had about the tool. If you want to draw your comic or manga faster, here's the lesson. Work in the medium that gives you the most control right now. Not the one that looks more advanced, not the one that feels professional, not the one you think you're supposed to use, the one you know how to use. If you're fighting with the tools, you're going to move slower. Even if those tools are technically better, your story doesn't need the most advanced setup. It needs to get out of your head, out of your drafts, and into the world. So if you feel stuck, before you blame your skill level, ask yourself, am I working in a way that works best for me? Thank you so much for watching, and God bless.